lwabaddewo olunaku lw'eggulo Kenzo we yavuddeyo n'apostinga results ezavudde mu bavubuka ne Bobi ne Big I naye n'avaayo n'abaako be yataddeyo awo n'olyoka olaba olutalo abantu ne bagamba Big I yawangula BET Big I sigenda kukulinza muganda wange ngenda kubanga nscrollinga muko wano ku page ya mwana mulenzi Big I yeno Big I star boss lina blue tick ndowooza mugiraba embeera nga bwetambula gundi elina blue tick yawo njagala kuyisaako mu post Big I zaataddeyo olunaku lwa leero post jasembeyo okuteekayo yeno wano gyenjagala obbasomera agamba seriously thank you Robert, Gloria and Hassan this love is too much, oh God. Wano nateekawo screenshot bamuwadde kasente njagala screenshot wano alaba ETV Uganda nze kuteekereko kaawo katonotono osobola okuba ng'oziraba naye internet ye Uganda tubeere bagumiikiriza tubeere bakkakkamu internet yaffe bannange omuntu alabye ne internet ye Uganda yarabi naye nga baganda bange mugumeemu katono nina kyenjagala obbalaga wano mugumeemu katono mugumeemu katono nnyo soke tufune wano ne kubikola mugumeemu katono tufunemu kubikola wano mugumeemu katono kati tukomyewo okay njagala kubalaga ku screenshot wano eza mwana mulenzi Big I. Let me try to refresh this page so that we can possibly see what we want to see. Let me try to refresh this page. Njagala kulaga mbaga eri wano ku social media tukomyewo ka internet kasobamu naye tugumemu ye Uganda yaffe. Seriously thank you Robert, Gloria and Hassan. This love is too much, oh God. Waliwo wano Big I amusindikidde emitwalo 12, Robert Lutalo lumu, waliwo wano Gloria Natukunda amusindikidde emitwalo 10, waliyo wano Vatek Business Solutions amusindikidde 7,200 nezijjeyo baziteekako. So lino lyessanyu libalaga Big I. Kati njagala kutwalako muganda wange mu comments eziri wano lyokotye post yagitaddeyo 1 hour ago nenge eri mu comments zino ziri 941 comments. I just want to show you here ono ataddewo wano Donizera ajja kuddira kati that's nope target muzeeko ku baana njagala nnyo comment abantu ze bataddewo wano so that tusobola okgenda mu maaso mpola comment abantu ze bataddewo wano mpola internet yaffe ye yaffe mugimanyi naye singa tabadde corona walayi Big I twalikolidde concert naye corona ono omwana yakuba indicator nagambye omwana yakuba indicator. Alex Sanchez Mukasa nagamba in fact KCCA should name one of the streets in Kampala your name. We need Big I street in Kampala. You are such an amazing artist. Njagala kusomerako ku replies eziri kuno. What a nice idea. Ono Mukwaya Juma agambye what a nice idea. Alex Sanchez namugamba this guy has nice songs, let me download most of them even. Esinza okunsanyusa ennyo yone ya zigizigi. The government should rename Entebbe International Airport to Big I International Airport. Okay, tukyali ku ETV Uganda. Ono natekawo nagamba the government should rename Entebbe International Airport to Big I International Airport. Olina amugamba ntafuta Bobby's victory, we shall name it, so don't worry. Embeera bwito bwetambula njagala kukulaga Big I abawagizi bano bennyini abali muwaana bulijjo be baali bamuvuma entakera. Aona Edward Kagwa natekawo the most hard working best musician in Uganda. Rita Selena nagamba Donzel on behalf of People Power, do you remember the money you wanted to use to buy BIINO card? Please start sending some help toward your musician. He was just misled. Harriet Chosen, wano waliwo Harriet Chosen nagamba, we are still sending you more money, our best musician in Uganda. It has been a long time you are not working. We love you, Big I Star Boss. We love you so much, darling, you are fair. Young Riga nagamba, do music, Big I. We are really ready to listen and waiting for you on stage. Number one younger singer in Uganda. Ono Mama Bulamu nagamba, Big I, in case you get read this comment, just know that you have real fans out there. No one should put you down. You are using this Kenzo to raise. You have been a great artist with more than 5 hits, and I believe if you continue moving in this lane, you'll be the next BET Award winner. Don't forget to always be humble on the world, and everything on it will always be humble to you. Nava kuji nagamba, our superstar, I'm loving your songs banaye. Sula Indicator is the song of the year 2020. People Power will never disappoint. We love you, and now you know the real friends. Shakira Sparko nagamba, our one and only star boss, Duke of Kent, British conqueror, most talented on earth, best design of Africa and some parts of Asia. We miss you on stage, free concert, the Salompas hitmaker. Oh gosh, I can't wait. Olunagamba nti gwe muyimbi asinga okwagolwa mu Africa. You deserve a Grammy Award. If Mosaic opens, you should organize a show. And Nambole, we will feel it. Tumwijuche Samuel Nagamba, I tell you, your songs are hits at the moment. That's what we call people power. Nsubuga Joseph Nagamba, love is even more than the money, we shall support you. Samuel Muggs Nagamba, I told you, be a good boy and show support Robert Kyagulanyi, and good things will come to you. More is still coming. Wait for mine. Roger Ndibasa Nagamba, guys, have you ever listened to Big I's song Tuli mu love eno? Tuli mu love nono omwana naye obuzibu tandabangako. Check it out. The song is extraordinary. I'm crazy in love with it. Big I is my superstar. Rashidi Chine nagamba, anytime from now ndowooza otegedde, just advertise your show, we shall for real compensate you for what you've been missing. The moment you side with the common people, that's how they treat you. My international star, the only African artist that gives Justin Bieber sleepless nights. Big I, mbuyawaye artist yekawa Justin Bieber sleepless nights. Edith Nalubowa nagamba, you are going to enjoy the fruits of being on the oppressed side. Isaac Achitu nagamba, Big I is the only musician in Uganda who needs to be welcomed by our president. Kati Kenzo should be welcomed by full figure. Okay. Ndowooza y'abantu ba bulijjo. Samuel Etemu nagamba, my bro, that's what they call right track. If you decide to move with the people, those are the outcomes. Nabisere Sharifa nagamba, honey, funa card if we miss you nyonyo. Evelyn Nabulondera nagamba, you just have to mention the dates and venue. Okay, messages mungenda zibuuka. Naye waliwo nakoze definition ya Big I wano. B nagamba bright, I nagamba intelligent, G nagamba genius, E ne standing for extremely brave, Y negamba yummy, E energetic. Na take out any B. Where would Uganda be without Big I? Okay. Kani Shamila nagamba our best artist, we love you so much. Bambi Kabasinguzi Shamimu nagamba the most loved artist in Africa. Susan Namwanje, just organize a concert, we shall come. Our biggest artist we have in Uganda. Nagamba Michael Jackson told us Big I musika wange. Nang. Okay. Priska Biggs nagamba gwe Big I tugenda okukwagala werabire ne Donizera. I didn't even know that you had the best songs in the world. Let me even download Solar Indicator. Onagamba nti Big I was the original man to marry Rema, instead they mistakenly placed Amuza. Dear Big I, size ki gy'oyambala muganda wange era okagala mu kala ki? Okay, nateeka waawe engatto. Ono Rita Perry nagamba wangala Ssabayimbi wa Uganda, the best male vocal artist in Uganda and some parts of Asia. A much love from South Africa. I'm gonna be skipping some comments here. Ono Mbazira Joseph Kintu nagamba you are more dangerous than Corona and Ebola. Mr. East Africa Music Master, Doctor, Teacher, Daddy, Salongo, Son of Africa. Onagamba even your songs are being played on TV. Nyimba za Big I kati zikubwa yaliko. Mbera bwetyo. Katukuweza rent government yelimanya kyerituwa. The only international artist I know in Uganda apart from Bobi Wine is called Big I Star Boss Mwiru Emma Swale. Lukman Gagamel nagamba I'm going to send you to since you became a beggar from day one maskini. Ono nagamba nti soko tuwe ku mobile money number. But yekoto yambala size kine empale. Big I Kabaka president w'abayimbi mu ggwanga, we love you. Okay. Onatekawo legendary Professor Big I aka Chairman Electoral Commission. Okay. Ono Nanyango Oliver nagamba mwe Jamaican and I wish Big I would come and entertain us on our Independence Day. Okay, nabe Jamaica. Kansubira obuwagizi buno bwa buli Rio. Big I tebamujubisa bujubisa ategeke ekivulu abantu baleme kujja naye. Nzo gwange gwa kusoma comments. Ebisigadde gwali mu kuwuliriza n'okulaba osobola okutekawo comment yo. Onatekawo the most talented artist in Africa nebirala bichajja. Yet you have a housemaid. You have earned yourself here one. Okay. Afunye ne housemaid. MC Ivan Sams Wamala nagamba the BET favorite this year. Your music has represented Uganda everywhere. CNN, BBC, Al Jazeera, unless Jay-Z snatches it from you. The truth is that you never be disrespected our lovely brother. Please subscribe to Big I's YouTube. Okay, something like that. Chechigenda maso. Bananga wankubira akayimba physically fit ke kanzika kanyanga nyize. Lydia Kylie Collins. Banange King paja moyambala size chitata ndete oyo Debola Vivi. Kwira Center. Gabi, I think we should change the national anthem to Slompasi, the best song ever. Chiri Uganda. Nange Uganda kinyuma naye katugende mu maaso. Nange bampe ku kanamba omuyimbi waffe afune kyonywa. you are our star. Come back on stage, we are missing you bingi. Mpose don't forget to request his songs on TVs and radios. Our Tata Brighton oba onywedde ku kati k'olweggulo. Anita Baby nagamba the way big guy is selling nowadays is more worrying abayaye. Naye nze I'm already booked wamma. Nagamba soon follow figure will be back. Give me your mobile money number. I also want to send you some money here in Nansa, and I will love you so much. Our number one star, Hanang. We love you Big I. Katonda yakuletanga kirabo. Kenzo Dogolyo lifuluse wali watuloga tukyawe Big I. Mukama amaze n'atunyulula bannange Big I lulenzi lulungi talina yadde ekigulu. Annange buli omu asigale ku sayidi ye. Big I lulenzi lulungi. Kenzo yali yabaloga. Kenzo bwe yali yabaloga bakyawe Big I ne Mukama amaze n'abanyulula. Big I lulenzi lulungi terulina yadde ekiguuna. Annange simanyi ba comment zino zinaggwayo. We love you Big I, Uganda's biggest export in the music industry. Holy Mary nagamba tugenda kuyiira Lava ate bonna afuna kaadi ya Nuupu kijja kusukka. Annange please KCCA you should rename City Square Big I Star Boss Square. We want Big I in Kampala at KCC. Think about it. And we are still doing for you big. Mpozi? And we are still doing for you big. Mpozi? How much remained as a balance that was not paid on our house? Remind us please. We're gonna contribute and clear the bill. We are ready. We love you Big I Star Boss. Nankubira gira alindako. SL Abel nagamba even Rick Ross have said check it, let's support him. Chiri Uganda. Nowadays I'm requesting only Big I songs on TV. Big I our Star Boss, big up. Bino BYEBILUMA Abayaye. Asigala Michibas, big up our number one. The fastest rising star in Africa. The world is not ready for the lyrical machine. Big I is the person we need in Uganda. Just to be there for your happiness. We demand Big I back on stage. Ono nagamba someone to tell Owekitiibwa Big I Star Boss to unblock me. I miss him. Please Sabayimbi unblock this comrade. Sabayimbi. Annange. Tell us the remaining balance on that house. We shall contribute. You the best musician in Africa. Our international musician we have in Uganda. The Freema Award winning artist of times. Walwawo nnyo. Eno tuli akatono naye tekalimu musaayi gwa muntu yenna. Katulumya abayaye bajja kakasa. Ngannake. When the song is nice, you play it twice. Big I the best musician. Nzirira amuka I'm already booked. Nasamula Kyagulanyi effect. Nachiyingi Matilda Martha nagamba I never knew you sing better than Papa Kenzo. Sekyewa Franco nagamba oli akatono naye nga kayise mikono mirungi. Iskat Katumba omuyimbi wa fomu yekka bwati kana akayimba kayindiketa kasufu old is gold. Okay. ETV Uganda, thank you so much. Omukulu era agenze mu maaso 6 hours ago na postinga YouTube channel ye nagamba abantu basubscribing. Comment ziri mu 10,000. Simanyi oba nasobola ozisoma zonna naye. Let me just see if I can try. This internet keeps on disconnecting. Mugenda tusonyiwamuko katono. By the way, we had been hacked. That's why we've not been broadcasting. We had issues. Channel of Ebali Bajibi Abayaye. Twali tukola nnyo ebiruma Abayaye ne batukangamu awo katono naye. We were able to come back. Okitegeera. Twasobola okukomawo ne tukomawo era kati tukomyawo na ne stop. I just wanted to show you what's going on mu industry, as you can see, but I'm trying to connect over here. The internet is super slow. I don't know. This is Airtel, but a little bit slow. Let me hope we are back. Let me try to check a few comments and we see a few comments here. I'm not going to read all of them, but abantu bagala big eye. See only big eye go bakasukiranga obucupa. I don't know where the love has just come from all of a sudden. Na ebuli big eye kyateekayo chiba chika. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. I just wanted to show you a few things. Muyongere kusubscribing. If you are new, kindly subscribe. I'm gonna be giving you more interviews. Nga bulijjo olugambo buli kimu ekiba trending, political, social issues. We're gonna be bring it up here. Tulinawo n'ekipya kyengendo banjulira maaso awo. Mwebale nnyo kwagala Wade XP, mwebale nnyo kwagala ETV Uganda, mbagala nnyo baganda bange. Much love. I love you guys.